Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the maximum TDP level for your HP 255. The most reliable way to do this is by installing the third-party software called CPU-Z, which we can download from their official website, which is called CPU ID, which we can of course find through our web browser. So let's go to any search engine and search for CPU-Z program. Okay, and we'll be able to find it on the CPUID.com. So make sure that you open this page and find the setup in English. Now let's click setup, click download now, and wait until the exe file is downloaded. Open it, click yes, then accept the agreement and click next. Then you can change the directory if you'd like to by clicking browse and selecting a different one, but it's a pretty tiny program, so it shouldn't be bothering you too much. Let's click next, next again, install. Okay, now we can close the browser. Now let's skip the readme part by unchecking this checkbox and click finish. After that, let's run the CPU-Z application, click yes. This program will instantly check your CPU info, and here in this tiny window you'll be able to see the max TDP value for your processor, which in my case is 15 watts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.